Alright, coming to you with another quick fix video. This is my 98 Honda Civic, and it's applicable to all Civics, this genre, and other Hondas with a similar latch. So what I'm trying to do today is, I guess it's a common problem, hood latch breaks off. I've been having to use pliers ever since I had the car to open the hood. And there's actually a kit that they make, you can buy on eBay or Amazon for really cheap. But if you can see in here, there's a little bit of plastic and then this metal piece. And what we have to do to fix this is we have to trim off the plastic. And the easiest way to do that is to remove this panel here to give us a little bit of room. But what I'm going to use to fix it, it's this Perma Fix 900 kit. Like I said, you can buy it on eBay or Amazon cheap. There's not really much to it. It's just this little metal replacement hood latch. I mean, basically all we need to do is we need to break off that broken plastic, and it'll reveal a metal piece that's attached to the cable that runs out to under the hood. So if your cable's broken, this isn't going to work for you, but this is just if your plastic latch is broken off. We're going to put on this metal one. And it uses an Allen key to tighten down the set screw to set that do it. And really the only tools I should need, I'm going to use player wire cutters to cut the plastic off, and then any remaining plastic I'll melt off with this little torch here. Alright, this panel just has some push clips. Just pull it out of the way. And here's what we're dealing with here. So you can see this plastic that goes from here to here needs to be removed. So just got to start using whatever method you want. I would be careful about just using a torch. You don't want to catch your car on fire, obviously. And I got this wire that's going to be in the way. So I'm just going to take these pliers, just try to cut the plastic off the best I can, like that. Which is going to be hard to do while I'm filming, so give me a second here. Here's how it should look. You're only supposed to trim 1 inch of plastic off of it, so you don't have to trim all of it off, just about 1 inch. So I got most of it there with the pliers. Wasn't too hard. I'm going to try to give it a little bit of torch action. Like I said, you don't want to catch your car on fire. That should be good. See, got about 1 inch. I'm just going to work on just taking a hair more off, like right up here at the top. 1 second. And it's not the most beautiful thing ever, but that will do. And the key is you don't want to take all the plastic off, because it's kind of like the stopper to keep the cable from going back too far. So now it's time for the next part. Okay, on the little metal latch piece, there's 2 set screws. Make sure they're backed out far enough to where the hole is opened up, and then you're just gonna slide this on here and push it until it bottoms out. So we want to make sure that it looks like it's pushed back far enough. And this is really simple. Just tighten up your set screws while holding this straight like this. Alright, once it's on there, test it out. Make sure it pops your hood and it's not going to pull off. You make sure it's nice and tight. And we'll just get our plastic trim back into place. One little push pin to go on the side. And voila, there you go. A working hood latch. Alright, hopefully that helps somebody. Take it easy.